If your Google Drive is not syncing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. Whether your files are stuck, changes are not showing up, or Drive for Desktop just seems paused, these simple checks can usually get everything working again in a few minutes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, look for the Google Drive for Desktop icon in your system tray. On Windows, that's usually down near the clock in the bottom right corner. On Mac, it will be in the top menu bar. Click the icon to open the Drive status window. This is the best place to see what Google Drive is actually doing in the background. Now check the status carefully. If you see that Google Drive says paused, that is very likely the reason it is not syncing. When Drive is paused, it stops uploading and downloading changes. If that happens, click Resume right away. In many cases, that one click is enough to start syncing again. If it was not paused, the next step is to open the settings. Click the gear icon, then choose Preferences. This brings up the main Google Drive for Desktop settings menu, where you can check your account, folder selections, and sync behavior. Once Preferences opens, make sure you are signed in with the correct account. This is important because sometimes people have more than one Google account, and Drive can be connected to the wrong one. If the account is incorrect, switch to the account that contains the files you want to sync. After that, give Drive a moment to refresh. Next, go to the My Computer section. Here, Google Drive shows which folders on your computer are being backed up or synced. Confirm that the folders you want are actually added. If a folder is missing, that means Drive is not watching it, so changes in that folder will not sync. Add the correct folder if needed so Google Drive can keep it updated. After that, go to the Google Drive section. Here you'll see options for how Drive handles your files. You can choose Stream Files or Mirror Files. Stream Files keeps content in the cloud and downloads files when you need them, while Mirror Files keeps a copy on your device too. If syncing has been acting strange, switching between these options can sometimes help reset the behavior and fix the issue. Once you choose the option you want, click Save. This confirms your changes and applies the new sync settings. Don't skip this part, because without saving, your changes may not take effect. Now for the final step. Click the gear icon again and choose Restart. Restarting Google Drive for Desktop forces the app to reload its connection, refresh the account, and recheck the sync status. If files were stuck or the app was glitching, this often clears it up right away. After Drive restarts, give it a little time to catch up. If you have a lot of files, the sync process may take a few moments. Watch the Drive status icon and see whether it starts uploading changes normally. In many cases, the problem is fixed once you resume, confirm the right account, make sure the folders are added under My Computer, choose Stream Files or Mirror Files under Google Drive, save your changes, and restart Drive. That's the fastest way to fix Google Drive not syncing. If this guide helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.